Good morning, students. Today we have going to discuss about the subject power quality. First unit, introduction to power quality, and next the syllabus for power quality. Main important topics: overloading, under voltage, over voltage, and concepts of transient, short duration variation, and long duration variation. First, introduction to power quality. It is any abnormal behavior on a power system arising in the form of voltage or current and which affect the normal operation of electrical or electronic equipment. So that is another way of power quality. It is in any deviation of the voltage or current waveform from its normal sinusoidal wave shape. So the disturbances included but are not limited to sag, under voltage, interruption, swell, over voltage, transients, harmonics, voltage flicker, and any other distortion to the sinusoidal waveform. So occurrence of one or more of such disturbance is called a power quality event. Next, the power quality problems occurs in voltage sag, swell, flicker, harmonics, over voltage, under voltage, and transients. These are the power quality problems. Next one, the terms and definitions of power qualities. Main important. First one, power quality. Any deviation of the voltage or current waveform from its normal sinusoidal wave shape, it's produced to the power quality. And next one, the voltage quality. It is concerned with the deviation of the voltage from a sinusoidal waveform. And another, current quality. The current quality is concerned with the deviation of the current from a sinusoidal waveform, and it is determined by the load condition. And next one, frequency deviation, and increasing or decreasing in the power frequency. The duration of a frequency deviation can be found from several cycles to several hours. And next one, over voltages. That is, over voltages, it occur main important characteristics of 10% above the nominal voltage for a period of time greater than 1 minute. So describe to specific type of long duration variation refers to a voltage having a value of at least 10% above the nominal value voltage for a period of time greater than 1 minute. And next one, under voltage, the 10% below the nominal voltage for a period of time greater than 1 minute. It is describe a specific type of long duration variation. It refers to a measured voltage having a value at least 10% below the nominal voltage for a period of greater than 1 minute. So such that distributed generation production at the time frame of interaction would be measured in cycles or seconds. Next one, voltage fluctuation. It is a rapidly occurring voltage sag caused by sudden and large increases in load current. And next one, harmonic. It is a sinusoidal component of a periodic wave or quantity having a frequency that it is an integral multiple of the fundamental power frequency. So the quantity obtained by subtracting the fundamental components from a alternating quantity. So the components of order 50 to 60 Hz of the Fourier years of a periodic quantity. Next one, distortion. Any deviation from the nominal sine waveform for an AC quantity is generally waveform distortion in a system. So is defined as the steady state deviation from an ideal sine wave of power frequency, mainly characteristics by a spectral content of the deviation. And next one, transient and types. Transient or disturbance that occur for a very short duration. This is maybe either polarity and can be additive or subtractive from the nominal waveform. So it occurrence of the transient. is a sudden change in the voltage or current in power system. As is transient, and the two types of transients. First one impulsive transient, second one oscillatory transient. Next, first impulsive transient. It is a non-power frequency event in which the steady state condition of the voltage, current or both change suddenly. So the most common sources of impulsive transients are lightning strikes. So it is due to, can occur because of the direct strike of a power line or from magnetic induction or capacitive coupling for strikes on adjacent line. This is called impulsive transients, and main important the types of impulsive transients based on the rise time and duration. Impulsive transients are further classified as nanosecond, microsecond and millisecond impulsive transient. Next type, oscillatory transients. It is a non-power frequency event in which the steady state condition of the voltage, current or both change polarities rapidly. So the change in polarity is bidirectional condition. It can occur due to resonance during switching characteristics. Next one, the types of oscillatory transients based on the frequency, content, duration, time duration and voltage magnitude. Oscillatory transients are further classified as low frequency oscillator, medium frequency oscillator and high frequency oscillatory transient. And next one, short duration variation, that is interruption. The complete loss of voltage, one or more phases conductor for a time less than 1 minute. So the variation of the RMS voltage from its nominal value for a time greater than 0.5 cycle of the power frequency but less than or equal to 60 seconds is called short duration variation. They are caused by fault condition, the energization of large loads which require high starting currents or intermediate loss connections in power wiring. So the two categories in short duration variation. First category indicates the magnitude of the voltage variation, that is sag swell interruption, and second category indicate the duration of the voltage variation, that is instantaneous, momentary or temporary. This is short duration variation. Two types of short duration variation. That first one is momentary interruption, that is less than 1 minute and less than 0.1 per unit, and second condition temporary interruption, less than 1 minute and less than 0.1 per unit. And last one, long duration variation, that is called sustained interruption. The complete loss of voltage on one or more phases conductors for a time greater than 1 minute. So the variation of the RMS value of the voltage from its nominal value for a time greater than 60 seconds is called long duration variation. The variation further is classified under voltage, over voltage, sustained interruption. And the under voltage is a decreases in the RMS AC voltage to less than 90% at the power frequency for duration longer than 60 seconds. So it can be the large load or switching of a large capacitor bank. So the over voltages, RMS AC voltages at a level of greater than 110%. Thank you.